Unleash your inner anime creator. Because today we're exploring the groundbreaking possibilities of Sora 2 for anime production. Leave behind the constraints of conventional animation. Sora 2 is your ultimate tool for producing breathtaking anime-style content, and we're about to guide you through the entire process. Step 1. Mastering stylistic nuances. The secret to authentic anime lies in your prompt's focus on the core elements: exaggerated facial features, dynamic hair movement, and that trademark expressiveness for our hero. We'll emphasize wide, resolute eyes, sharp jawlines, and gravitifying hair, all precisely described in our prompt. Step 2. Achieving precise character designs. Sora 2 offers unparalleled detail beyond physical attributes. Describe personality traits that translate visually. Is your character joyful? They might feature softer lines and brighter colors. Are they somber? Opt for darker palettes and more angular forms for this warrior. Will prompt for a hardened gaze and weathered armor, instantly establishing their backstory. Step 3. Perfecting animation techniques. This is where Sora 2 truly excels. For anime, describe movement with the same visual dynamism found in your favorite series. Think fluid, energetic, and striking for an attack. Prompt for a swift, arcing sword swing with accompanying visual effects, capturing that quintessential anime dynamism. Step 4. Discovering creative avenues and monetization. From short films and fan animations to concept art for independent ventures, Sora 2 unlocks a universe of creative potential. You can even develop distinct visual styles and offer them as a service, generating new income streams from your iPod anime creations. The demand for high-quality, AI-generated anime content is rapidly expanding. Don't just watch anime, bring it to life. Explore Sora 2, experiment with these methods, and begin building your anime empire today.